if you do not receive notifications from your iPhone on your Redmi Watch 6, what you can do is on your iPhone, you want to go to My Fitness app or Mi Fitness app. Of course, make sure that the device category is selected, and also make sure that Redmi Watch 6 is selected here. Next, you want to go to notifications and calls, and we're gonna go to app notifications. You want to make sure that app notifications here are enabled. Secondly, you can see the list of apps for which you can enable notifications and send them to your watch. So you want to go through this list and, of course, make sure that all relevant apps are enabled in here. And also, what you can do is you can disable notify only when worn, which might be especially necessary if you have tattoos on your wrist. So sometimes when you have a tattoo and you wear the smartwatch might not detect that you actually have your watch on your wrist, and therefore when this option is enabled you might not receive notifications. So you can of course turn this off and give it a try. Another thing that you can do is, for example, also go to incoming calls, and you want to make sure that show contact info here is enabled in the case of missing incoming call notifications. And also you can open settings on your iPhone, and you want to go to Bluetooth, then go to the details of your Redmi Watch 6, and here we have this option, share system notifications. You can of course enable that option. And last but not least, if nothing helps so far, then you can also restart your smartwatch. So you can press the power button, and then after a couple of seconds you should be able to see the menu over here where we have the reboot option. So you can just tap over here to restart your smartwatch, and hopefully after the restart it is going to work again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.